Jen Keith, the judge in this case, agreed to lower that bond from $2.8 million to just over $1 million. James Staten's attorney tells me that that number is still out of reach and his client will remain behind bars for now. James Staten, owner of the now defunct Olympus Pools, faced a judge and some of his customers in court. His attorney asked the judge to lower the $2.8 million bond, calling it, quote, almost offensive.
At this moment, he's presumed innocent. And those bonds amounts on each count is excessive. And contrary to our system, the bond is now punitive.
State prosecutor Stephanie Bergen argued Staten is a flight risk, since if found guilty on 35 felonies, he faces at minimum 20 years in prison. A financial analysis for the state testified Staten used company credit cards on personal expenses like Nordstrom department store and luxury brand Louis Vuitton.
He took their money. He abandoned their projects. Abandoning in my argument here, is equivalent to failing to appear. Time and time again, he took their money, sometimes full cash payments up front.
In addition to Olympus Pools customers, Staten's wife and father-in-law were in the courtroom. Staten's mother testified that her son stopped trying to finish pools only because the state of Florida forced him to relinquish his contractor's license amid complaints. After an hour-and-a-half long hearing, Judge Mary Hansel agreed to lower the $2.8 million bond to just over $1 million. Staten's attorneys say that is still too high.
We respect the judge's decision. At this point, he's going to be sitting in jail with no bond, essentially, because his family, friends, grouped together are not able to come up with his bond.
Staten's attorneys insist that their client is not a criminal and that he just fell victim to bad business decisions brought on by the pandemic. Coming up at 6, you'll hear from Olympus Pools customers about what they have to say about this judge's decision.
So what is the next step in this case?
Well, the next step in this case is a scheduled court hearing. It's a pre-trial hearing. It's set for November. But in the meantime, Staten's attorneys tell me that they are combing through the state's evidence and they may ask for another hearing again to argue again to lower that bond amount because they think that their client needs to be out of jail while they put this together. But of course, the customers, they don't feel that way.
Well, but he's 2 months away. I mean, he's in jail now. He's going to be there at least through November unless they can get another hearing in between them. All right. Thanks, Shannon. If you have a problem that needs solving, you better call Behnken. There's the telephone number on your screen. You can reach her at 1-855-BEHNKEN or at WFLA Shannon.
Max Defender 8, the most advanced weather radar in Florida.
Well, it's been a quiet and hot summer so far, but that could change as we head into next week. We're tracking a lot of tropical moisture to our